Positive and negative art. Have you ever heard about it? Okay, let's understand it. What is positive and negative art? So we will look at some of the artworks, how it looks. Let's start with a quick question. When you look at a picture, what do you usually notice first? Look at these pictures and tell me, what did you notice first? So most of you have noticed the main subject like the elephants and the flower. In art, we call that the positive space. It is the part of the image that grab your attention first. But what about everything around the subject, the background? That is called negative space. So in today's lesson, we are going to understand positive and negative space. So let's start with a super easy activity. I'm going to fold the paper into half. When you will open it, you can see a crease line and the paper has divided into two. I'm using an old slate to draw a circle on the paper. It's your choice. You can do it with a pencil, or if you want to make a bold circle, you can use a marker. Once the circle is ready, now we are going to understand positive and negative space. Positive, negative. You can see the line. So we are going to divide it into half. So you can use crayons, oil pastels, whatever you have at home. Here I am using watercolors. So I am following the line and then I am going to color in the positive space. I am repeating it again. When we focus on the object what we have drawn on the paper and color into it, this is called positive space in art. So I have colored in the positive space. Now I'm going to focus on negative. Negative means when we ignore what we have drawn on the paper and color the background, that is called negative space. So here I am using negative space. To understand it in a better way, I will suggest that use a single color first. Did you notice how the same shape looks different on each side? That's the magic of positive and negative space. If you want, you can now choose another color and just color it on the white space. This is not mandatory, but if you really want to do, so you can go with that.